So, as an update on the Scraptastic video, uh, I found these were like 6-inch squares, and I'll probably trim them down to 5-inch. I found a bunch of these, and they're a little over 3-inch, so they're probably going to be trimmed down to 2.5-inch squares. Here are all of the fat quarters. Well, whoop, hold on. You know, I say that about all of the fat quarters while I was cleaning more. I found a bunch like folded that hadn't really been undone. I found a stack that I had gone through before and thought, maybe I'll use it as dog clothes, but I mean, they're fat quarters and they are going into the ever growing. I mean, this thing is thick fat quarter stash. So, next, hold on. We come over here. This fabric, oh my god, I wish I had not cut all of it, but it's in strips. It's about 8 inches wide, and it's the width of fabric. It was for, you guessed it, mask, but this is absolutely gorgeous. And the lady that I bought it from, she has sadly passed away, but I can't remember. I don't think this is a grunge. It looks more like an ink drop or something, but I wish I knew what it was so that I could add whatever in this type fabric to my background builders and stuff, a stash builder, because it's absolutely gorgeous. It's very, very dark, and I'm sure it would probably bleed. But anyway, this whole stack is like cut with a fabric. Oldie but a goodie. But oh my gosh, I sold so many masks made out of that watermelon. I used to have probably about 4 yards of it, and I have like 2 strips maybe left. Anyway, and then a bunch of the jumbled stuff I kind of neatly stacked up here. It's going to be processed either into strips, layered. Well, I don't think any of this is layer cake size. Might be the charm square. It might just be 2.5-inch strips. I don't know. It could be 2.5-inch squares. There's a lot of, there's some Halloween on top. There's Christmas. There's metallics. There's solids. There's bold prints. There's a lot of different black. And then next, I've gone on to my whites and off-whites to try to get these guys organized. And once they are, some of this I'm probably going to cut down to some pre-cuts because, come on. If I can have it handy, why not have it handy, right? Why? I've had that for a long time. I found another one in here that I loved, and I found some uh, muslin that I've actually already pulled out. That's not muslin, but some beautiful, beautiful fabrics here. Anyway, so that's what I have given you for the update for the Scraptastic find.